The Crest 3D Whitestrips Vivid Plus, a product of the Procter Gamble company, is an effective teeth whitening kit that can provide up to 8 levels of whiteness in just 12 days. The product, which is the #1 dentist-recommended teeth whitening brand for home use, uses the same whitening ingredient as dentists, ensuring a safe and effective treatment. In addition to removing a decade of tough set-in stains, the kit includes 24 teeth whitening strips, 12 for the top teeth, and 12 for the bottom teeth, which are to be used over the course of 12 days. Featuring the advanced seal technology no-slip grip, the strips stay put during the full application time, allowing users to continue with their daily activities, such as talking and drinking water, without any interruptions. The kit also includes 2 bonus 1-hour express treatments for fast results, making it a convenient and affordable option for achieving a brighter, whiter smile without leaving the house. With a review score of 4.5 and over 65,297 reviews, the Crest 3D Whitestrips Vivid Plus has proven to be a reliable and popular choice for many customers in the teeth whitening category.